Man, what it is, YouTube, man. It's your boy Chevy tuning in once again with another banger video, man. Look, man, right now I got my dog Terry Reloaded with me in the cut, man. You feel what I'm
going on?
Damn, cuz, that me
Damn,
up, bro.
I didn't see that. My fault. Damn, right.
Look, y'all ain't even gotta tell me none though, bro, cause I know it's been a minute. But look, I got the perfect prank for y'all today, man. So look, my dog Nunu and his clique just put up on us. You feel what I'm saying? He got the whole chain on. We're gonna be telling them his, you feel me?
Yeah.
That shit ass. We're gonna be talking shit about that boy clique. You feel what I'm saying? Hey, shh. How you think they gonna? How you think? You think? Hell nah, I got you with me, fam. That's what.
Oh, I gotta say too.
You gotta save me, bro. You gotta be with me in this shit. You know what I'm saying? Look, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. This a fucking banger right here, man. Yes, sir.
Like, subscribe.
What you said?
And hopefully he actually posts this video.
I'm gonna post this shit. I'm gonna post this shit. Only if y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You feel what I'm saying? Let's get into this banger, man. No, but that bit went smooth, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it was nice and quick. You see, you got everybody. Me and my dog Terry just shot a music video, man.
April 3rd. April 3rd.
Oh yeah, I better make sure y'all tune in, my dog, man. Tell them the name of the song,
3rd.
everything when the drop.
Mad is coming out April 3rd. Video, song,
everything.
all of that.
On everything. Everybody big mad. That's what he's saying. You feel me? We vibing though. So you just turn up, just be like, what the fuck is PMG? Like, what the fuck? This and that. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like you should get a scene, you in the car and shit like that, just talking in motion, you know what I'm saying? What it all with it? Oh, this boy put up This boy put up E. What up? Your boy gang? What up?
I'll say years.
Man, I've been waiting like 2 hours, man.
We still like we missed the exit.
I'm already knowing y'all niggas in Miami.
And we had to walk all the way from down there.
Y'all gonna miss like 30 exits, bro. I promise y'all boys.
They don't tow down there?
Nah, y'all boys should be good for like an hour. And then they come.
You missed my exit, I got some shit on my pants, but don't look at that.
The
white pants.
Yeah, white pants. I got some.
Go wrong with the Air Force.
Daddy, this boy is Gleason, fam. How much you? I ain't even gonna pocket watch you. Oh, I can't touch that bitch?
No.
This shit.
No. My city
I can't. It be busted. Why I can't touch that bitch? Probably ain't even real for
That's our group name.
What is TMG though? Tell me about y'all.
RJ Motion. Motion boy. Up in the party. You better keep up with your hoe.
Hey, I keep up with my hoe. You know that. You know that. You feel me? Project Motion. Oh, y'all boys got motion? We can't be y'all.
We ain't BMG though. We
got some.
You got some. We see y'all got some. We know y'all got the motion.
But no, back to what I was saying though. Like, what up with the chain though, fam? That be real. How much you dropping that bill?
For this part, I'm gonna say about 35 just for the
35.
Cap.
Damn, boy.
You said cap?
35.
Yeah. You got a diamond tester?
How much you pay for your shit?
You got a diamond tester? You got a diamond tester? Oh, yeah, boys, lucky. Drop on this. Hey, don't worry about that. I ain't gonna lie though. Yeah, boy, that shit lame though. I ain't on some real shit. Like, I fuck with y'all boys.
PMG.
But the PMG shit gotta go, man.
You sound like a hater. You sound like a hater.
I ain't even hating. Hey,
Well, I gotta tuck it in.
hey, listen, fam.
You say, why I gotta tuck it in?
Look, that's what I'm trying to tell you. I don't need the chain because I got
This
real
one is
motion.
real.
You feel me?
Who the wrong
I don't.
ass chain?
I ain't gonna lie to
This
you.
is
You keep
real.
touching my shit. You gotta tell them boys touching my shit, fam.
It's a lot of touching going on.
No. Them hoes bigger
No, but
than
real shit though. Y'all boys like a music group, a clique. Like, what y'all is?
PMG.
Cause I ain't never heard of
Motion,
y'all.
you don't gotta hear about it.
I ain't never heard of y'all boys, man.
Trying
Real
to say
shit.
you ain't gotta get what you mean.
I'm just saying, fam. You know, I fuck with y'all boys. I'm just saying, like,
don't fuck with
yeah,
us.
boys.
You
No,
know where
fam.
our shit comes,
Look,
like-
that's what I'm trying to figure out. What?
So I fuck with y'all, boy. He's okay.
No, but like,
Hey, that's the first
like y'all
thing.
music group.
We not no damn music group.
What y'all is?
Son, what you mean?
Motion
We some motion boys.
We them boys.
We them niggas that
Listen,
gonna come pull
what
up and
motion-
take your bitches.
Look,
and all your
that
motion.
real.
Look, we gonna take all your motion.
Man, what
and your
motion
bitches.
mean to y'all
Oh
boys?
no,
No, you can't take my bitch.
Taking your
Cause
bitch.
look, y'all bitches love me. All I gotta do is
Hey,
put on
he
the
ain't
wig.
lying. Hey, I ain't getting still back home. What
All
you
I-
ain't going?
All I gotta do is
I give you that one. I'm gonna give you that. I ain't gonna give you that. But look, look though, but this shit still ass, fam. I'm
Bro, I
not
don't give
fucking
a
with
fuck
Project
about none of
Motion,
that
whatever the
shit
fuck
going on
that
about
is,
that.
man.
So you sure it's real?
See, look, you said emotion.
100%
Look,
real?
hold on, fam. They say you again. You ain't even. Them boys, look, them boys.
Wait, hold on, pause. If all of you are PG,
Listen,
where are y'all shit at?
You rated R, XBMG.
All y'all got
Hold on, y'all rated R. Hold on. You got it on us? Hold on.
I'm gonna get mine tatted.
So y'all rated R, y'all PMG. You gonna get rated R? Y'all boys, what is this? Group collab? Y'all boys a group collab or some shit? Like, what the fuck y'all? We money makers. But you said them boys riding with you, fam.
Mo Motion.
Hey, Mo Motion. Mo Motion. Hey, but look, no, bro, we got Mo on his team now, nigga. He PMG too? You a motion boy though?
These my PMG. Look, look. These my PMG boys. I'm just a motion boy. But my niggas got motion.
You in there too?
And they step on shit. You know.
This your team, fam? Them boys jet look like they riding with you and shit, but they ain't really stepping for you though. That's what I'm saying. Cause I stepped up. My mama. I stepped up. Them boys ain't even do nothing for real. What up, my boy?
Y'all Florida boys, come get y'all lizard, man. For you leave his ass out here.
Yeah, I'm fucking with them boys though, bro. I'm just blocking this
You
shit.
know
That
what
boy.
the fuck
He came a little too strong at first. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Them boys was ready to step though, man. Real shit.
We keeping it cool.
Yeah.
We pulled that back Terry.
I'm surprised I ain't put that thing out.
You know
I
you
got my
can't.
shit. I got my shit.
Stop playing with my dog.
We had peace, man. We had peace.
What?
Who that is?
What?
Positive item, aka negative item. Goddamn.
Get my dog chain. Get my dog chain. Come on, Nunu. Stop that.
Oh my God, hold on.
Policing.
Let's put that bitch in the sun. Oh my God, it go blind you. It go blind you. And the teeth.
Look, me. See, I ain't.
Check me out though.
I ain't
Check me out though.
This is
Check me out though.
This is pussy!
You talking about shit?
chill, but look, man. You know I had to print them boys real good. Them boys put up deep, man. You feel me? You talk to me real quick, gang.
Let's do that.
Hey,
You got, nah, you had me a
I know
little,
I
I was
did.
finna get a little.
I know, nigga, you stepped
I
up.
started pushing your hand.
I know.
Agitated.
Y'all just gotta hit a subscribe button, man.
Hit
We
that
finna be
subscribe,
coming
man.
back with bangers, man. Like, comment, share it, bit, man. And we
Hey,
gonna be.
hey, you
we
you
gotta
might
go
just
around
be
the
a motion boy too.
What's up?
You a fucking
Where
motion
my
boy.
contract at?
Contract. Gotcha. You a
Come on,
motion
boy, you
boy.
gotta
All
get
that
jumped
motion.
in, boy. I got.
Yeah, you gotta get
Right now?
Jacob not here.
Come on, run it up.
Run it up.
Fam, she fucked up. Yeah, boy, she fucked up. Man down. Fam, we had the whole, bruh. We was all here and they all towed the car. Yo, Chevy, tell me, this is the life we live, homie.
My car's gone, bro.
Your car's gone, fam. Your car's gone.
Hey, whoever's a tour nigga here, he made bread tonight.
So
that nigga paid his bills for a year, bitch. That nigga
Hey, yo, that nigga took our car. Oh, blooper.
That nigga paid. I need my fun.
Hey, yo.
For my car to be here.
That boy.
I'm sorry, you're
that
good
boy
too.
paid his mortgage.
Hey, yo. The funny thing is, if you ain't fucking with Chevy, then you ain't federal. You know what I'm saying? We all drunk. We in the middle of Miami. You know what I'm saying? Nike down.
Ain't no fucking way.
Hey, Shaquem, ain't no fucking way.
Ain't no
Told all
fucking
our
way,
wits.
gang.
Fam, they told all our wits.
I'm Scissor right now, kid.
You feel me? And we all sassy. We all, hey, that boy sassy too. That boy sassy. Hey, Poppy, you take our car, Poppy.
Come on, bro. Why y'all gonna do it like that, bro? You gotta go call Why y'all gonna do that, man?
Let's go. That's good.
No, they're not good, bro. They're not fucking good, nigga. They tore my car. Y'all want my car, man.
Tú no eres guapo, huele bicho. ¿Qué? ¿Qué tienes dinero?
They take my car.
I know. They
Bro, come on, bro.
I'm telling you.
Oh, they take your car.
This
Papi, they take my car too,
These
Papi.
motherfuckers say that they got money. They're making money out of us.
Oh my gosh. Ass stars, Papi. They take my car, Papi. We good, Chevy.
Damn, I don't got no one day.
Hey, this shit getting crazy. We in Miami, this shit getting crazy out here. We gotta get our cars back. How do we get our cars back? How do we get our cars back? How do we get our cars back?
Fuck you. Huele bicho. Yeah, kill these motherfuckers. Yeah, you scared motherfuckers. Fuck y'all. Making money out of fucking people. Fucking.
Hey, y'all boys, this shit crazy out here, bro. We just trying to get our car back. 24 hours in Miami.
Go get your car for 12 pounds. It's your car.
Yo, Chevy. Johnny, 12 by the come. Let's get our car. 12 by the come. The girl called 12. Oh shit, they got his car too. They ain't expected. Bubba chain 100,000, ran it up in public housing. That boy.
Back Monday. I'm gonna just start. The thing is, they're closed tomorrow. I got my registration because they never gave me it. So I gotta wait till Monday. Tell them to email me the registration to come back on.
I thought a nigga was dead. I'm back.
That boy say he back. That boy say he back in business. This specific place where it says office, they probably made about $1 million today, just off all the cars they took. They took Bentleys, Lamborghinis, foreign cars, all that hammers, whatever it is called. You know what I'm saying? Look like I ain't going to the studio since my foot died. This is crazy. Hey, let's see who's coming out now. They probably booked out like 100 cars for real. I ain't gonna lie. Them boys the real police. If you see them boys, y'all gotta run away. Them boys the real police. That boy came out, dripped out. That boy was hot. They took that boy's shit though. Type shit. Get that shit back in blood. Hey, you already know who's out this whip. You already know that boy got his shit. First day, ran it up in public housing. That boy, first day out, gave my mama a brand new rack, bought the eyes down AP watch, bought the Cuban link just to match. You know, I'm out of there, you know, Chevy say. Hey man, hey, show them what you rolling in.
It's alright though, we gonna jump out.
You feel me? Hey, B&B tonight, we getting lit. What we on, fam?
We lit, man.
Alright, man. If the camera ain't rolling, then it ain't federal.
We outside. Don't give a fuck about that bitch. Get that fucking camera out of my hands.
Bless, don't make you mean.